Hi everyone, this is Anna here. I just wanted to give you some more information about my upcoming workshops. I have one that is here now this weekend, the 28th and 29th of September. I still have one opening on that one. The other one is going to be October 19th and 20th, which is also a weekend. And they're both the same workshops. It's on this technique called Cuerda Seca, and I'll tell you a little bit more about it. But I wanted to also tell you about the inclement weather that we have coming our way. When we usually get a storm that affects the panhandle and it comes up our way to Georgia, usually we just get, a storm, rain and winds. We don't know yet how strong it's gonna be. I know it's affecting the panhandle, so if you live in that area, you would like to cancel or postpone to the other one, to the other workshop, you can certainly do that. Just please let me know. Just contact me either by email or call me. The information is in the description. I'll put the link below so you can contact me. Or if you wanted to, for some reason, cancel the workshop, please let me know and you get refunded. So as I said, we do have one opening left for this one, for this weekend. You can still sign up, especially if you live nearby or in the area here in Georgia. You can just drive here. But if the other two people that won't be able to come, we don't know yet. But if they cancel, so I will have 3 openings for this one, for this weekend. So there is still time to sign up. I'm hoping that it won't be as bad, the storm, that we can still, have our workshops gonna be here. I have a video of the studio next, showing everything here in the studio, the pieces that I've made for the class, which is right here behind me. I will be teaching everything about Cuerda Seca that I know, the authentic technique, which is using the oil and the black iron oxide, as well as the other variations, which we call still Cuerda Seca for the lack of better word, but we'll be learning that different techniques so you be able to choose the one that you really like. I like the original technique, so but the other ones are a little bit easier, but we'll be doing all of them. Also, I am providing all the materials, all the glazes, all the bottle applicators, all the tips. Also, I'll be providing lunch and refreshments. So this will be a relaxing class, and I hope you love this technique as much as I do. You'll be able to take breaks. I want it to be relaxing and not overwhelming. So you'll be able to learn quite a bit in 2 days. So let me know if you have any questions, and I hope to see you soon. So what I've done is I put all the colors here for people to use, and then they all have the color. These are all Mako Stroke and Coat. They all have the tags with their names. And I use my cute little bird tray to have all the colors in here. All the bottles, applicators, if we need to add more colors. I have a ton of these little bottles. These are all Stroke and Coat colors. I have a lot. I have a lot of the colors, so I don't think we're gonna run out. Sharpie pens that we'll be using, as well as the oil mixture, oil and black iron oxide, which is my favorite. Some pieces here, some bud vases, some little wine cups that we'll be painting the second day. I even have some other pieces too that they can use, bisque. So it's just painting. These are coasters that we'll be painting. We have a lot of them, and I made these. So these are all bisqueware. Some little trinket dishes, some spoon rests, some fish, fun fish coasters it could be, or it could be something for like a hot plate to rest in here. Some other techniques that we'll be using. I'll be teaching a lot of different variations, a lot of my own sketches for people to use. I also encourage you to bring your own if you'd like, but these and more will be all in here for you to use. These are just some of the Cuerda Seca examples I have, and I have some more in the kiln right now that it's being fired, so they can see exactly what it looks like, and they can touch and feel some of my colors so they know what it looks like at cone 6 or cone 5 or 6. I made all these tiles that have all my colors. Some more tools that we use. These are the tips for the bottles. And this is just another table with all the brushes that we'll be using. I moved my wheel to that corner there so we have plenty of space to walk around. My doggies are here. They're excited. Some more, I put all the work that in progress. It's in here, and in other shelves, more stuff that is right now that I have on my store, my online store. Up here on the shelf they're usually things that I kept for myself. They're either seconds or things that didn't quite work the way I envisioned, so I kept it. Some are just things that I've made for myself, like a bird house and such. I have plenty of tiles also if they would like to make the square tiles 6x6, they can choose that over the coasters like these. So, and these are all for people to use. And again, we're not rushing. If you finish early, you can pick up another piece. Or if not, you can just take your time. It's all up to you. So right here is my AC. My bench is cleaned up. I'm gonna put my coffee maker here on this bench with some breakfast stuff. I have another hand-building workspace over there that we won't be using, and plenty of glazes that we can use for the inside of the piece on the second day. But the first day will be strictly just tiles and coasters that we'll be using. So because something vertical is a little bit more difficult, and we'll go over that on the second day.